Alright, I'm going to show you how to make some vegan pad thai, delicious with some tofu. My wife enjoys it, so here's some of basically all the ingredients we use.
Just a quick side note here, for this video we used what we had, which was the Amy Chun's Pad Thai brown rice noodles, but I do prefer the Thai kitchen stir fry rice noodles. I like them better, I think they cook better, so just in case you are trying to pick between which kind of noodle. I definitely prefer Thai kitchen noodles. Also, the Sanjay Thai peanut sauce is awesome, but is the only kind that we have actually tried in this dish. It's worked really well, it's gluten-free, and so I think that's why I like it so much. But definitely, if it has a peanut base, then it probably could be substituted, but we just really like this one, and especially because it's gluten-free. We like to use the Kirkland Stir Fry Vegetable Blend just because it's great value for what you get. It doesn't really matter what brand you use, as long as just basically you're looking for the pea pods. Looks like the red peppers in there. You can do water crescents, things like that, and it just makes a nice blend of different things together. So, but don't feel like you only have to use Kirkland. Just use whatever brand that works for you. Now I'm going to let my husband, Eki, take over and get to cooking this delicious dish.
Start with some canola oil, and I like to use a cast iron skillet. It just fries really well. Fill it about halfway, medium heat, and then you just let that warm up. So we'll let our oil warm up, and then we'll grab our tofu. I use about 1/3 of a pack. I don't even know how much that is, but take 1/3 of the pack, take a section out, and then I'll dice it into about 1/4 inch squares, and then they're about probably 1/8 of an inch thick, and then 1/4 inch squares. So then after you dice that, you'll take your water for your noodles, get that boiling. So I like to just get that on there while my oil is warming up, and then I'll just set it on high, and then add some salt, which I forgot, but then hey, I remembered. So a little bit of salt, get that in there, just a pinch, just to raise our boiling point. Covered it, then let it boil. While that's going, I take my tofu, and my oil should be ready to go, and there it is. So we just let that sit there and fry. While that's going, I take a half jalapeno, dice it up. I did that really quickly, like that. So we take that onto our warmed to medium heat pan. I like to use a copper stick, and then I take my vegetables, add it to the jalapenos. Then while that's warming up, I'll flip my tofu just so they can get evenly fried. So having a hard time, but I'll get there. So yeah, just get those flipped, and then checking my water, almost boiled. Looks like my tofu is about ready. So while that is just about there, I just turn off the heat just so I don't forget to turn it off. So while that's about there, I take my tofu, add it to my vegetables and jalapeno that's already warming, and voila, you have your mix with your tofu all together. Water's all boiled, and the key to getting these pad thai rice noodles right is turning off the heat, and then adding the noodles immediately, and then let that sit for about 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, there's my time. Then you take this Sanjay Thai peanut sauce, amazing, gluten-free, vegan, and then while the vegetables, tofu are sauteing, I just shut off my heat, and then I just add the sauce and let that just kind of simmer a little bit, and so it gets the flavors can soak into my mix there. There we are, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So our noodles are ready. So you drain them, put them in a bowl, and there you have it. Then you take your mix here and you just pour it right on top, mix it all together, and voila! You have your vegan pad thai.
Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe, comment below if you have any particular recipes that you'd like us to make, and maybe it will make it to a video.